If you're an engineer, hobbyist, or technician, having a reliable digital oscilloscope is essential for accurate signal analysis. In 2025, the latest models offer higher bandwidth, faster sampling rates, and smarter features than ever before. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best digital oscilloscopes to help you find the perfect tool for your needs. Let's dive in. 5 best digital oscilloscopes. At number 5, FNIRSI 101 3D Digital Tablet Oscilloscope. This 100 MHz digital oscilloscope is a powerful tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. With a 1 ms per second sampling rate, it delivers high-precision signal analysis for a wide range of applications. Featuring a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen, it provides a smooth and modern user experience, making navigation effortless. The high-contrast 800 by 480 display ensures clear waveform visibility, while the intelligent anti-burn protection allows 1x probes to handle up to 400 volts safely. Equipped with 12 measurement parameters, FFT analysis, and Lysagis figures, this oscilloscope is perfect for detailed signal diagnostics. The one-button auto function simplifies setup, while 1 GB of built-in storage lets you save and analyze waveforms with ease. At number 4, ZEEWEII DS03D12 Digital Oscilloscope. The DS03D12 oscilloscope delivers 120 MHz bandwidth at an incredibly affordable price, making it perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. Powered by ARM and FPGA chips, it ensures high-speed signal acquisition and smooth data processing for a seamless user experience. Beyond an oscilloscope, it also features a high-precision multimeter capable of measuring voltage, current, resistance, diodes, continuity, and capacitance. With 14 automatic measurement options, including frequency, RMS, peak-to-peak, and duty cycle, it provides comprehensive signal analysis. Dual-channel support, FFT analysis, and XY mode make this a powerful tool for debugging circuits, repairing electronics, and DIY projects. Compact, lightweight, and packed with features like one-touch auto setup, single trigger mode, and real-time sampling at to 50 ms. Yes, the DS03D12 is an essential addition to any electronics workspace. At number 3, Owon SDS112 Digital Oscilloscope. The SDS112 Digital Storage Oscilloscope is a super economical yet powerful tool for signal analysis. With 100 MHz bandwidth and a 1 Gs per second sampling rate, it captures intricate details with high precision. Equipped with dual-channel capability, it allows you to simultaneously monitor 2 signals, making it perfect for comprehensive testing and troubleshooting. The 7-inch high-resolution TFT display ensures clear waveform visualization, enhancing ease of use. With USB connectivity for PC integration, plus SCPA and LabVIEW support, it offers seamless data management and automation. Packed into an ultra-thin, lightweight design, the SDS1102 is an excellent choice for professionals and dyers. At number 2, Owon Digital Oscilloscope SDS200. The Owon SDS200 series digital oscilloscope is a high-performance tool designed for precise signal analysis. Available in 100 MHz, 150 MHz, and 200 MHz bandwidth options, it delivers 1 Gs real-time sampling for detailed waveform capture. Equipped with dual channels and a built-in 25 MHz signal generator, it allows for simultaneous signal analysis and generation, making it a versatile choice for engineers and hobbyists alike. The 7-inch TFT LCD display ensures clear and accurate waveform visualization. With 30 automatic measurements, FFT spectrum analysis, and a 6-digit frequency counter, troubleshooting becomes fast and efficient. Plus, USB connectivity with SCPA and LabVIEW support enables remote control and secondary development, making the SDS200 series a powerful yet affordable solution. At number 1, Owon XDS2102 Digital Oscilloscope. The 85162 USB oscilloscope kit is a high-performance tool designed for precise waveform analysis. Featuring a 12-bit high-resolution ADC, it captures intricate waveforms with minimal distortion, ensuring accurate signal representation. With a fast 50,000 WFMS, this waveform capture rate and an extended 20 meters record length, it provides real-time monitoring and detailed signal analysis. The multi-trigger functionality and bus decoding support enhance its versatility for engineers and researchers. Designed with an ultra-thin body, It saves space while maintaining powerful capabilities. The 8-inch high-resolution LCD and VGA port allow for clear visualization and easy teaching demonstrations. Plus, with USB and LAN connectivity, SCPI and LabVIEW support, it's a future-ready solution for professionals.